So I got another question. There's a few of us on here that do Etsy. What are your views on Etsy about the whole, because you hear a lot of people complaining about it, charges, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. What do you think of the platform?
I think it reaches a lot more people than if you had your own website, that because Instagram only does so much, to where, go to my website, buy here. Some people do very well, mind you, with their own website. And I tried that. But Etsy brings more traffic. However, they also take 20% plus XYZ fees. So honestly, do your research again, because that's a tough one though. That's, again, I think you pay for the platform and it's free, mind you, right? To
Right.
That ain't free.
website. But then the fees of your shipping, all of that. I mean, that's a tough one. I would do it just for the traffic. Until you have a following that is pretty consistent, then I would say try to do your own website if you have the time for that. Make it as feasible and user friendly as possible. But for now, if you're a small, store or shop, I would do Etsy right now. Just, and look at your fees. It's very plain as day. You go into your settings, go under. No, it is, but some people just don't do that. And that would be my suggestion.
It's just tough sometimes because you look at certain things on Etsy, like some of the stuff I sell, and the competition of what they're charging. It's like, how are they making money? Because and I've gotten to the point where I just put it at what I need to put it at, and if it sells itself,
and that's what I do. I'm not going to sit here and say, well, theirs is 100 and mine's 185, and
They say that's expensive, and you say, okay.
Yeah. Next.
Go and pick art and do a comparison. Mine, that's why.
Do it. Yeah. There's a difference.
There is a difference. I mean, and I'm not trying to say, it's just, where you are in your artistry, and it's plain to see, because they're all pictures. You can't say they're pictures. They're judging off of pictures, and then really it's about the price. So I don't discount myself. I just don't. I don't do it anymore. I used to, but no.
Yep.
Nice.